In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable double opt-in for email. Double opt-in is a simple but powerful way to make sure the people joining your email list really want to hear from you. It helps you keep your list clean, improves deliverability, and protects you from spam signups or fake email addresses. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step inside your Systeme.io account so you can turn on double opt-in for any form on your site. First, log into your Systeme.io account using your usual credentials. Once you're on your main dashboard, move your mouse to the top menu and hover over the Sites option. A drop-down will appear. From that drop-down, choose Website. This will take you to a list of all the websites you've created inside your account. Now, select the specific site where you want to enable email double opt-in. This is important if you manage multiple sites or funnels, because the setting we're about to adjust only applies to the forms on the site you open. Click on that site to enter its website editor. Inside your website editor, you'll see a list or layout of your pages on the left-hand side. Here, choose the page where you're collecting email addresses or any kind of contact information, and where you want double opt-in to be active. This is often a contact page, a lead capture page, or a landing page with a sign-up form. Click on that page to open it in the editor. Once the page loads in the editor, look for the form on the page. This is usually the section where visitors type in their name and email, then click a button to submit. Click directly on the Forms button. As soon as you do that, you'll see a panel or drawer open on the left side of the screen with editing and styling options for that button and its associated form settings. In that left panel, scroll through the options until you find the setting that says, "Do you want to enable double opt-in on this form?" Next to this text, you'll see a checkbox. To turn on double opt-in, simply click that checkbox so it's selected. This tells Systeme.io to send a confirmation email to anyone who submits this form and only add them to your list once they confirm. After you've checked the box, don't forget to save your changes. Move to the top right corner of the editor and click the Save button. Wait for the save confirmation, and you're done. Your form now uses double opt-in, giving you a higher quality, more engaged email list.